Latest developments now on a story we first brought you as it was breaking last night at 10 and 11. A house fire sends nearly 24 people into the streets just days before Christmas.
New tonight, we're getting a first look at the damage inside the building and hearing from the people affected. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado is live in Providence now with more.
Investigators are still working to determine what caused this fire and whether or not it was suspicious, but they have determined that the smoke detectors inside this triple-decker were not working. Felicia Batista looks up at the exposed holes in the home where she lives. She and her husband and children were among the 22 people displaced from this Pennsylvania Avenue home into the cold Monday night.
Gracias a Dios, mi familia está bien.
She says, "Thank God my family is okay." The fire department says no one was hurt in the fire, which appears to have started in this third-floor landing. We got a look at the damage. It spread to this closet inside Batista's apartment, her daughter's shared bedroom, their clothes, and even new Christmas presents ruined. She says the important thing is health and that we are alive and that we can breathe. Today, fire investigators said the smoke detectors inside the home were not working. Luckily, everyone who was inside still got out okay, and firefighters put the fire out quickly. But 3 families are still without a home tonight until the power is turned back on. We don't know what we're going to do, Batista says. It's unclear if they'll be back in their own beds by Christmas. And I did speak to the owner of the building off camera. He said he hopes to get his tenants back in this week. Meanwhile, the investigation here at the fire department continues. Reporting live from the Providence Mobile Newsroom, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.